Welcome student, welcome to the education video of Sandeep Model School. Today I will teach you computer subject. In this computer subject I will teach you the first chapter, that is my computer and my friend. Students, as you know, there are two type of things. You have to open your book first of all, and you can see that there are two type of things, natural things and man-made things. Natural things are those things which are directly get from the nature. As you know, for example, air, water, plants are natural things. It is not made by the man, but it is made by the nature only. And the another thing is that man-made thing. The man-made thing are those things which are made by the human being and which is made through something natural things. For example, chair, car, scissor, computer, these are made by the human being, but the process of this making these things are made from some natural things. For example, bag, bottle, tablet and chairs. Dear children, do you know what is computer? The computer is a machine which is made by a human being. It is not a natural thing. As I earlier said, the natural thing are directly came through the nature. It is not made by the human being. And computer is a machine which makes our work easier. You can see in the book, machines are man-made things that make our work easier. There are many different machines made by the man. For example, in our daily life you can see very varied type of machines. For example, telephone, juicer, television, washing machine. These are the machines which can make our work very easier and can save our time much more. Computer is a machine. It is work on electricity. Remember, it is work on electricity. It helps us to solve sums, drawing. We can draw in the computer. We can listen music. We can type anything in the computer, and we can see everything in the computer. Computer is a smart machine. In the next topic we can discuss, a computer is a very smart machine because of its interesting features. What are the features? If you see, a computer is a very fast thing. A computer never make mistake. Third, computer can do many different tasks. And another thing, computer never get tired. And the fifth, computer can store huge amount of data at a time. The most important thing is that computer never get tired. Human being may be tired, students, but computer never get tired. It can do lot of things in a very fast manner, and it can store lot of data. Whatever you want to store in the computer, you can store very easily. Computer can do different type of tasks. It may be education. We can discuss a lot of things in computer. We can see lot of education thing in computer. We can store a lot of education product in computer. A type of computer. Next thing is, a computer comes in many shapes and size today. Today we see that a laptop, desktop and tablet. Generally we see the desktop computer, in which in lot of houses students are using desktop computer. Now the modern days, the tablets and laptop are used. You can use this in your office, in your home, in your friend's house. A desktop computer are big in size and shape. They are keep on desk. It means you can keep it on a table. Another type of computer is laptop. A laptop is a computer that's small in size. The size, students, the size of the laptop will be very small, but you can easily keep in your bag and you can take it to your school or your office. The next is the tablet. The tablet is a computer which is bigger than a mobile phone. It has touch screen on which we can write using special purpose pen. There is a pen on a tablet, remember, and by that pen we can write anything in the tablet and you can use very easily. Concluding this chapter, I will again reminding you that there are two type of things that we get directly from the nature. For example, plant, air, water, these are natural things. Secondly, man-made things which are made by the human beings, you, me, and other things. Machines are man-made things that make our work easier. Machine, whatever machine these are, it may be washing machine, it may be television, it may be mobile phone, smartphone, your smartphone, or it may be your computer. It make our work easier. Computer is a machine that work on electricity. Remember, without electricity, computer cannot work properly. Computer make our work easier. And in the last but not the least, some different type of computer are there. Is for desktop computer, which you can put in the table, laptop and tablet. Now in the last we will see the exercise. Answer the following question. The first question, you can see that write 3 features of computer. You can see in the page, write 3 features of a computer. So you can find out that the answer, there is first answer is a computer is very fast. Your first answer should be, you have to write in the point, write 3 features of the computer. Your first answer will be a computer is a very fast. Second answer, a computer never make mistake. And third, computer never get tired. So you have to write these 3 questions, 3 answers, in this line. And then next we go to the second question. Name 3 type of computer. It is very easy. We have discussed right now that the 3 type of computer, that is the desktop computer, the laptop, a tablet. These are the 3 type of computer. Very easy question answer. I hope that you will learn very quickly, and when you meet in the school, I will take your test. Now the next question is fill in the blanks using the word given. The first fill in the blanks is a dash is a natural thing. So you have to put the river. That is, a river is a natural thing. Second, a train is a dash machine. So you can put a train is a man-made machine. The train, you know that train is made by the human beings. It is not came from the nature. So we will write a train is a man-made machine. A computer work on, what will we write? We write electricity. A computer work on electricity. A computer never get, the computer never get tired. You have to write tired on the fourth. Fifth, a dash is a bigger than a mobile phone. That is a tablet. You know that tablet is bigger than, there is a tablet is a computer which is bigger than the mobile phone. You can see that. So you have to write a tablet is bigger than the mobile phone. Next, student will write the true and false statement. Machine are man-made things. Yes, true. Aeroplane is not a machine. Aeroplane is a machine, so we will write false. Machine do not save our time. It is false. You know that machine save our time, so you have to write false. The computer has made our life easier. Yes, computer has make our life very easier, so we have to write true. Next, desktop computer are smaller than laptop. False. Desktop computer is not smaller than laptop, is bigger than laptop. You can see that in the previous page. Yes, this is the desktop computer and it is take much more area than laptop. Okay, now the next is guess who I am. Use the given word. So you have to write the name. I take you to school. So who take you the school? That is the bus. The bus either when. So you have to write bus in the first blank. I can calculate numbers. What will be? That is calculator. You have to write the calculator in the blank. Next is I switch your clothes. That is sewing machine. I fly high in the sky. That what is high in the sky? That is aeroplane, always fly on the sky. I am a computer. You can keep me on your lap. What type of computer which can take in the lap? That is a laptop. Laptop can be easily kept on our lap. It is kept on our lap. You can see that. So I will write, you will have to write the laptop in the last blank. Now concluding the last exercise. Washing machine, the first column will be there, the washing cloth. What work do the washing machine? Do you know? That is washing cloth. By television, what will be there? By television we watching movie. You can watch different type of movies, serials also. Next is calculator, to calculate the number, big calculation, plus minus. So we will take doing calculation. That is your third answer. Typewriter, in which you have already see the typewriter in keyboard. There is the keyboard here, that is the, you can also say the typewriter. So typewriter means where we can type the alphabets, that is typing letters, the fourth. And the last is the telephone. So by telephone we can talk to our friend and relative, that is talking to friends. So friends, we have completed our chapter. I hope you will understand and you will learn properly. We hope I have given you all the exercise, and you have to watch this video regularly. For more videos, watch the other videos of Sandeep Model School. Thank you very much.